Assalamu Walaikum. Hello everyone, how are you? In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to add soft edges to text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add soft edge effect. Firstly write some text. Then select the text and go to the insert menu. Then click word art drop down menu and choose any word art. Now I select this word art. Then select the word art text and go to the insert format menu. Then click text effect. Then choose the glow effect and applying the glow 5 point. Then click the shape outline option and choose no outline. Then click text fill and choose a blue accent one lighter 80% text fill. Now we can see here we add soft edge effect to this text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.